Today be solving for the points of intersection between a circle and a line. So we are looking at a system of equations here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our line equation and substitute it in to our circle equation. So we can take x plus 6 and plug it in here as our y, so we only have one variable to deal with. So we'll get x plus 5 squared plus, and then now we're putting in x plus 6 instead of y. Then the plus 2 squared equals 9. Then we're going to expand. X plus 5 squared is x squared plus 10x FOIL plus 25. And then we want to think of this not as x plus 6 plus 2, but as x plus 8. And we're squaring that. So we're going to get x squared plus 16x plus 64 equals 9. Now we're going to combine like terms, add those x squareds together. We're going to add the 10x and the 16x, get 26x, and the 25 and 64 gives us 89. Now we still have equals to 9. This is now a quadratic that we need to solve, so we need to get this set equal to 0. So we are going to subtract 9 from both sides. 2x squared plus 26x plus 80 equals 0. Now we can solve this quadratic. We're going to factor. So first we take a GCF of 2, x squared plus 13x plus 40 equals 0. Then we're going to factor this into two binomials. You can do your A times C chart, right? That sums to B. At this point, we want to start factoring these in our head. There is no A value here, it's just 1. And we know that we need two numbers that multiply to 40 that add up to 13. These are both positive here, plus 13 plus 40. So we know these are going to be positive. So 5 times 8 is 40, and 5 plus 8 is 13. So those are my two factors there. Now that I have the factors, I know that one of these needs to be 0 in order for this whole equation to equal 0. So I'm going to set x plus 5 equal to 0, and I'm going to set x plus 8 equal to 0 and solve. So first one, I'm going to get x equals negative 5. Second one, x equals negative 8. So remember, the solution to a system is an ordered pair. This one is a circle and a line, so in this case, you can see it has two solutions. X is negative 5 in one of those, and x is negative 8 in the other one. Now, I need to plug in these x values to find my y values. So I'm going to actually take this line equation down here, y equals x plus 6, and plug these in to that equation to find my y value. So when I plug in x equals negative 5, I get y equals 1. When I plug in x equals negative 8, I get y equals negative 2. So in my ordered pairs, I've got negative 5, 1, and negative 8, negative 2. So those are my answers to my system. Remember, this is a circle and a line, so it looks something like this. I have a circle, right, and I have a line that goes through the circle, and those are my two solutions. Okay, not drawn to scale, but that's how you're going to do it. You're going to substitute, combine like terms, then you're going to solve that quadratic, use factoring if you can, set each one equal to 0, find your x's, find your y's, write your ordered pairs. You got this.